Every 39 seconds, a hacker strikes. Hospitals, banks, even your favorite apps. No one's safe. But behind the scenes, there's a silent army fighting back. They're called cybersecurity analysts, and companies pay them up to $150,000 a year to outsmart cyber criminals. In this video, we'll decode their secret world. What do they actually do? What skills do you need? And can you break into this field without a degree? Spoiler, yes. Let's dive in. What does a cybersecurity analyst do? Imagine a digital fortress. Cybersecurity analysts are the guards, architects, and detectives rolled into one. Their job? Protect data from hackers, fix vulnerabilities, and solve breaches like cyber Sherlocks. A typical day includes monitoring networks 24/7 for suspicious activity, patching holes in systems. Think of it as fixing invisible cracks in a vault. Incident response. When a breach happens, they're the first responders. For example, when a hospital in Texas was hit by ransomware. In 2023, analysts worked round the clock to restore patient data and lock hackers out. No cape needed, just coffee and coding skills. Skills needed. Now let's crack the skill set. You'll need technical skills 1. Firewalls and SIEM tools. Tools like Splunk or Palo Alto act as your digital radar. 2. Ethical hacking. Think like a thief to catch one. No platforms like Metasploit. 3. Network security. Understand how data flows and where it's vulnerable. Soft skills. Problem solving. Cyber attacks are puzzles. Can you solve them under pressure? Communication. Explaining a breach to a CEO. No jargon allowed. Surprise, you don't need to be a coding genius. Tools like Wireshark automate traffic analysis, and no-code platforms like Tines streamline workflows. Even your grandma could block a phishing email with training. Day in the life. Let's shadow Alex, a remote cybersecurity analyst. 8 a.m. Coffee in hand, Alex reviews overnight alerts. False alarm or a real threat? 10 a.m. Team meeting to simulate a US phishing attack on employees. 1 p.m. Lunch break while a firewall update runs in the background. 3 p.m. Training on a new AI tool that predicts ransomware patterns. 6 p.m. Signs off unless a critical alert pops up. It's not all chaos. Many analysts work 9 to 5, especially in government roles. But when a breach hits, you're the hero they call at midnight. Salary and job outlook. Cha-ching in 2025, entry level, $80,000 to $100,000. Senior roles, $130,000 to $180,000. Bonus, certifications like CISSP add $15,000 to $20,000 to your paycheck. And demand? The U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics predicts 35% growth by 2031. Why? Every TikTok shop, crypto exchange, and smart fridge needs protection. How to become one. No degree, no problem. Here's your cheat sheet. 1. Start with CompTIA Security, plus the $370 exam is your golden ticket. 2. Hands-on labs. Try HackMe lets you practice hacking legally. 3. Network. Join Discord groups like Cybersecurity Career Mentorship. Take Sarah. She went from retail to cybersecurity in 18 months using free resources and a portfolio of mock incident reports. Ready to join the cyber front lines? Smash like, subscribe, and comment decode for a free PDF guide to certifications. This is Career Decoder, helping you hack the future, one job at a time.